Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. So, in the last class, I explained you about what I explained you, children. I explained you about that is lesson number 6, each drop. No, children. So, how will the water get evaporated? What is evaporation? What is condensation? And what are the uses of water? And also, where do we get water from? Okay, children. So, what are the sources of water? Now, I am going to continue that lesson only. So, I will read the lesson. Listen carefully. Total amount of water available on the earth. So, how much water we will get on the earth? Salt water or sea water. So, 97.2%. So, it cannot be used. Why it cannot be used means because it will be salty. Next is sweet water. Ice. Only 2% it will be, and this is a solid form of water. So it cannot be used for daily activities because why can't we use means it will be solid andre gatti agirutte. Next, water less than 1%, water suitable for use. So we can use this water. Know this, only this much of water is available for you. Imagine that there are only 100 spoons of water on the earth. More than 97 spoons of water is salty. 2 spoons of water is in the form of ice. Less than 1 spoon of water is available for daily activities. Here they given are using water more than your requirement. For which activities do you use water unnecessarily? Right there. So, for which purpose you are wasting the water and you are using more. So, you must write here in the space provided. Okay, children. Next, observe the pictures given below. What is happening here? Write in the space given below. So, in the first picture, they are washing the clothes and they are turning the tap. The woman is turning the tap and washing the clothes. So, she is wasting the water. So, in the next picture, a man is washing the clothes and he is keeping bucket. He is taking the water from the bucket. So, this man is not wasting the water. So, in the third picture, the man is wasting more water for washing the face and all. So, in the next picture, these two women are catching water and they are turned the tap on and they are standing and talking. So, the water is going down and they are wasting the water. So, in the next picture, one boy is taking water from the pot and drinking. So, in the next picture, one boy is turning the tap on and the water is flowing more and he is drinking the water. So, he is wasting the water. So, in the last picture, house is there, from inside the house, water is flowing outside. So, what you can know, children? So, we can know by this one that they are wasting the water unnecessarily. So, they are using more water, they are throwing down more water. Okay, children? So, we must not waste the water, it is very precious. Next, how is water wasted in your surroundings every day? Right here. So, how you will waste the water? You must write in the space given there. Next, children, what would happen if there is no water at all? So, if there is no water, all the people, plants, animals, human beings, all will die, no, children? So, for that purpose, we must not waste the water. How will you prevent wasting water in your school and house? Write 2 steps that you would take to stop wasting water. So, the 2 steps for preventing water are, we must turn off the tap after using. No, children? ನೀರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಬೇಕು. And next is, we must use less water for cleaning the vessels and for cleaning the house and all. So, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ನೀರು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, picture showing some methods of saving water are given on the next page. Write those methods in the space provided. So, in the first picture, rain is coming and they kept the vessels there. So we can catch rainwater in the vessel and we can use for washing the clothes and watering the plants. Now children, so they given, so the water is flowing down and the plumber is repairing the tap. So by repairing the tap we can stop the water by flowing. And in the last picture the water is flowing for the garden. Now children, next look there, the water is being wasted, isn't it? Yes, here the girl is wasting more water for cleaning the vessels. Now children, next, drop of water. This water is already used. How do we use it once again? So for what purpose can we use the water that is already used once? Think and write. So once water is used, we can collect, like after washing the clothes, that water we must take and pour for the plants. So we can use that water once used for gardening and for plants. Okay children. Next, the water that is used for washing utensils, cloths and vegetables can be used again for watering plants. This is called recycling of water. By recycling of water we can save water. So the water which is used for washing clothes, utensils and vegetables, that water we must keep like that only, and we can pour that water for the plants. So this is called recycling of water. By doing this one we can save water. Next, children, we can store the rainwater also. Stored water can be used for certain activities. So when the rain is coming, we can store that water in a bucket, drum and all. So that water we can use for other purpose. For which activities can we use the stored rainwater, children? We must write there. So for washing the clothes and watering the plants, we use that rainwater. Next, learn to collect and use the rainwater for daily activities. Next, if there is rain water harvesting center in your locality, visit it. If not, know from your elders about it, collect information about it and write there. So rainwater harvesting. So you can know from your parents or from your neighbors, and you can collect information right there. Next, children, try to enact a short play which gives a message of the conservation of water with the help of elders and friends. Alright, drop of water we will try. So the raindrops is saying for the children to write a message of the conservation of water. Okay children. Next, children, today you have learned about the uses of water in a limited way and the conservation of water. So I bid you goodbye. Okay, drop of water. So the raindrop is saying for the children that today we will learn how to use water and how to recycle the water and what are the sources of water and all. So I am saying goodbye for you. So the children also saying bye, drop of water. India has the richest water resources in the world. The major portion of the fresh water available on the earth is ice. Water in the air is in the vapor form. Fish are rare to purify the water of reservoirs. Water maintains the shapes of the body of plants and animals. There is about 65% of water in the body of human beings. In other living beings, the water is 40% to 90%. In leaves, water is more than 80%. We should drink at least 2 liters of water every day. Mausin Ram in Assam receives the highest rainfall in India. Agumbe receives highest rainfall in Karnataka. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? Shall I ask some question, children? So, how is the water in the air, children? The water in the air is in the vapor form. So, how many percent of water is in human body, children? So, there is 65% of water in the human body, and in the leaves there is more than 80%. So how many liters of water we should drink, children, every day? So every day we must drink at least 2 liters of water. Okay children. So next, what are the sources of water, children? So the sources of water are rain, river, pond, stream, sea, hand pump, well, rivulet, etc. So, how much percent of water, salt water or sea water is there, children? So, there are 97.2%, but we can't use them. So, how is the water in the ice, children? So, the ice is in a solid form. Okay, children? I think you could have understood this lesson. I am giving notes also. So, please write the notes in the classwork neatly. Okay, children? Thank you.